Fontaine. What do we do? The whole situation is so confusing. Good plan.
Just relax. Even if everyone else suspects, besides, I doubt.
Thanks, Navia.
Best of luck to you.
Ah, finally, you're back. Well, how did your investigation go?
Oh, Paimon thinks she gets what you mean.
Both parties have returned to their positions. Let us continue the trial.
As the countdown began, he entered the tunnel. And there you have it. That's the truth behind what happened.
Linny did not take part in the underground altercation.
Attention! Ace Detective Paimon has something to say!
They've managed to turn things around. Oh, well, your denial is very strident, I'll give you that. But what proof do you have to back your claims? Linny did not need to take part in the dissolution of the young woman at all.
Oh. Seems using the water as new evidence was too good a move.
And voila!
While there is much in Linny and Lilianne's conduct that should still be investigated separately, this case, at least, can be handed over to the oratories to make the final.
So, we're just going back now? Bye, Linny!
Hey there! What was with the disappearing act you pulled right as the trial ended? Ah, and we were having so much fun investigating with you, too. It was like having new waters flowing into a sorry about that. Wait, shall we have a farewell meal? You know, to commemorate our time as partners?
Huh? Do we really need to get that formal?
Well, I'd just like to have a proper ending to every important memory. Anyway, it would just be a meal.
You don't have to twist...
Oh, wonderful.
All right, then.